Hey friends, welcome back to Simple Pleasures. So today we will see something very interesting. Knuckle guards on Honda Hness. One of my riding buddies, he actually was gracious enough to show us his knuckle guards and also talk about it. So without delaying further, let's jump straight into it and watch knuckle guards on Honda Hness CB350. Hey friends, welcome back. So we three riding buddies took a ride from Mumbai to a beautiful beach about 100 kilometers from Mumbai. So stay tuned for that video as well. But today we will talk about knuckle guards. Actually बहुत मज़ा आया ride करने में साथ में. Okay, so on the left is Mayank. He has the same color bike as mine. On the right is Jevin. His bike color is precious metallic red, and his bike has the knuckle guards. Okay, the one on my right with the black jacket. So we'll stop and show you the knuckle guards in a minute.
A few moments later.
Hey friends, this is my travel buddy's bike. I found something very interesting for you. Look at this. These are knuckle guards and they look very sturdy. And actually they look brilliant, you know, the white color. So I'll give it to my friend and I'll ask him to explain how it was fitted. Yeah, Jevin, if you can just let us know how this was
Sure.
how this was installed.
Sure.
So this is my friend Jevin. Hi Jevin.
Hi.
You
So-
can hold it.
I can hold it now. Hi. Thanks, Hira, and a wonderful day today for a nice bike ride. We have come to beach, Nagaon Beach. And so the knuckle guards, I think as a safety measure for any bike plays a very important role. If there is a kind of, head-on impact, then your hands and the gear is protected. So I got this installed from a shop in Vashi. It's a little difficult to install in the sense that the make is Acerbis, and once you go to the shop and tell him you want to put it, so he will fit it for you. And it's once he fits it, it's fairly comfortable. And it looks good and has a great safety measure. So yeah, I would recommend your viewers to go ahead for it. Thank you.
Thanks Jevin. Thank you so much. So friends, this is how it is installed on the handlebar. Okay, and the best part is it doesn't make the handlebar look clumsy. Generally हम riders को हमेशा ध्यान में रहता है ना कि अगर हम additional accessories लगा रहे हैं, so the bike shouldn't start looking clumsy, right? This doesn't, this looks pretty neat and it's nicely done. वो जो हैंडल बार का जो जहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है ना, ऊपर टर्न होता है ना, वो इसी के एज पे इन्होंने क्लैम्प किया है. ये ब्रैकेट्स काफ़ी अच्छी तरह से लगाया है. Okay, so this is how it looks from the front with rider's position. This is how it looks from the front. Very interesting. Very interesting. The other side is actually connected to the grip, starting point of the handle. Knob के साथ उसको bolt किया है. Okay friends, so I hope that you find this knuckle guards on Hness interesting. I found it very unique. I haven't seen many knuckle guards on Hness, so I thought I'll create this video, and I had a very kind friend of mine who shared his experience about knuckle guards. So friends, installing Acerbis knuckle guards or hand guards on Honda Hness CB350 costed my friend 2000 rupees. So knuckle guards or hand guards are meant to protect fingers and hands during collision. Okay, it also helps you protect from a side swipe injuries. There's something called as side swipe accidents. Okay, so it protects your fingers and hands, you know, especially in a crowded lane or a crowded street where you have vehicles moving in both the directions. It also protects your hand, fingers, and also both the levers, the front brake lever and the clutch lever, especially during the fall. And also during the cold winter morning, you know, when you have this cold wind hitting your fingers and hands for long periods of time, people tend to complain of having pain in the fingers, you know, especially during those cold mornings. So it prevents you from those pains and trouble. And aesthetics, you know, I found aesthetics to be really appealing, especially when I was looking at the rear view mirror. When we were riding together, I was looking at the rear view mirror and I found my friend's bike having this knuckle guards, and I found this really appealing and aesthetically good. So just a short video for you. Okay friends, so that's it. Let me know if you liked the video, if you found it interesting, and if you liked what you saw, hit the like button and subscribe to Simple Pleasures. Thanks to Jevin for sharing his experience with knuckle guards, and my fellow rider Mayank, who was with us during our ride to a lovely beach about 100 kilometers from Mumbai. So until we meet again, thanks and happy riding.